So we just got back from Tesco's and I wanted to show you just a few things. I got loads of stuff, like just general food, but there were a few bits where I was like, those are a good few food bits, and also there's like a few other bits as well. So first I got some new socks because I just love having weird socks. So these are Brussels pout socks and they have little dancing pouting Brussels on them. I love Christmas socks. I've got quite a few, and I also just have like random pattern socks where they've got like gingerbread men on them or French fries, burgers. I've got some with tacos on them, so I like wearing them to the gym because they're just like a bit funky, so I wouldn't wear them anywhere else, so I always wear funky socks to the gym. So that's what I got as a bit of Christmas spirit. I'm going to be trying this plant mince. I've got some tacos, like the shells from Tesco's as well, in my cupboard, and I was really feeling it the other day, so I was like, you know what, I'll get some mince. It lasts until the 20th, so I've got plenty of time to eat it, and I thought that I'll make my own tacos because then they're veggie. I got these in the reduced bit, like they were with all the normal food but they were just reduced, and I was like, well, I'll just eat them today. And they're Linda McCartney meatballs, so I got them half price. They were £1.50 instead of £2.50. So I'm gonna have spaghetti bolognese, and there's 12 meatballs, so I might have to do something with them later as well. I might like cut them up and put them in something. I don't know, haven't decided yet, but they need to be eaten today. To be fair, they'd probably last until tomorrow and then I could have them then as well. These are a new thing which I haven't seen. They're fish goujons. That, I don't know why, but recently I've really been craving fish fingers really badly, and obviously I haven't eaten meat or fish in forever, like years and years and years, so I obviously don't want to eat fish fingers, but I can't find any vegan fish fingers. There used to be bird's eye and corn vegan fish fingers, and I can't find them anywhere. It's really annoying me because I really want them, so I'm hoping that that will satisfy my urge to have fish fingers, because I have been thinking about it quite a lot. So this is VFC. This is again a new thing. They have various other things, but I love popcorn chicken, so I got this because I thought I'll give it a try, and it was in the frozen section, so it's super convenient, but it's just popcorn chicken. So I don't know if this is like how many portions this is. It says per 100 grams is that much, and there is 250, so I'd say maybe like 3 portions in there. So that was that. And then again, a new thing. This isn't new in terms of actually in the shop. I just haven't tried it yet. And it is meat-free crumbed ham. And I used to like live off this stuff when I was younger. And it's where it's got the breadcrumbs around the edge. And yeah, I used to just eat it all the time when I was younger. And then obviously since I gave up meat, like there was so many things that I haven't been able to eat. And then there's just like, they're just creating versions of it now, so that's like a version of something that I used to really like, so I'm hoping it's good because then I can just eat that instead. The last 2 things that I want to show you, I got some diffusers. One is a bit festive. I got apple and spiced berries, which I thought would be really nice, and then I got mango and pineapple because I love these for like my bedroom and my office. Oh, and the other thing, which I'm gonna try and I'll let you know how it goes, but I don't know if anyone watches Josh Wiseman. He's an American, or he might not necessarily be American, but he lives in America, and he's a chef, and he made breaded onions. So they weren't like onion rings. He put them in flour and then like deep fried them, so they were a lot lighter than onion rings are. They weren't like a thick batter. And the onion that he actually used was like chopped up rather than actual rings. But I really want to try it. So I got this fresh bag, which again I haven't seen in Tesco, so I'm gonna try and make those, so I'll let you know how that goes. So yeah, that was all the exciting things that I got from Tesco's. Now I need to put it all away, and then I need to make a chocolate slab, which I will then take to the post office later on today because it's currently raining and I don't want to go out. Right, I'm just gonna do my calendar. Cleo's gone off somewhere, so we'll see if she gets hers. But we're gonna start with the hot chocolate one. And then, what day is it? It's the 8th. So, God, this must be the hardest calendar to open. It's so stiff. Right, what have we got today? Oh, okay, this is definitely one that I'm gonna like. It's white chocolate, hot chocolate, which I know I will like. So that is the first one. Then we have our Malteser one. We have a little Santa. And then let's open Cleo's and I'll just give it to her in a little while. Number 8. And then she's got the little chicken stars. So that is that. I'm gonna decorate this chocolate slab. I've got 2 to do. I have to go and get some stuff for one of them because some of the stuff I don't think I have. So I'll have to pop to Tesco's for that. But let's go and decorate this chocolate slab. Right, I'm off to the post office. I have 2 chocolate slabs here. Luckily I don't have to worry about them getting hot because it is freezing in this car. And also I wanted to show you, anyone curious about getting a Fiat 500, I would definitely recommend it because it's honestly surprising how much I can fit in this car. So have a little look at this. I have a double mattress in this car. It's all rolled up, and I've also got a load of clothes bags. Annoyingly, I got a new mattress yesterday, and then I rolled the old one up, put it in my car, which I didn't need to do yet, but I thought, you know what, I'll go to the dump today. And then I checked and the dump is closed for 2 days, and it's the only 2 days this week, or like in general, on a Wednesday and a Thursday, that it's closed. So I was like, damn, that's really annoying. I've literally put this mattress in my car for no reason. I could have left it out of my car, but I put it in there because I thought it was open every day. So now I'm driving around with a massive mattress in my car. I also can't have any passengers because the car's already as small as it is. But yeah, the passenger seat in the front is completely down. So we can't have any friends in the car at the moment. So that's exciting. So yeah, and every time I go out, I feel like I'm getting judged because like I went to the post office earlier and I parked it outside and like I've got a massive mattress in the back. It just looks really weird. And it's not packaged, so it's not even like I've bought it. I've just randomly got a mattress, an old mattress in here that I'm just carrying around for fun. So yeah, but we are gonna go to the post office. So just got back from the post office. I have an Amazon parcel. However, as you can hear, they're falling all over the place. So I have a feeling that my sprinkles that I ordered, they're all over the floor. So that's really annoying. So yeah, I'm hoping that it's just one packet, but it's just annoying because they're in a box, so I don't know why they would have split. Surely they shouldn't have. And also I can't seem to stop them falling out. Move that over. It literally sounds like they've poured the sprinkles in the box. Like, oh my god, yeah. The lid wasn't on it. Shocking. Well, I'm going to keep the ones that are in the box, the big ones, because I'll use them on like dummy cakes and stuff. Or like my cakes, like ones for our family and stuff. But I will be getting a new packet because they are all over the shop. I'm going to take a photo of that before I actually do anything to it. How did someone not notice that the lid wasn't on? Like, oh my god, they are all over. I don't know if you'll be able to see that on the camera. As you can see, they're pink sprinkles and they are filled in the box. So, and they're tiny as well, so I'm gonna have to pour it over the bin, I think, to make sure that they go all over it. But I don't understand how that's actually happened. The lid can't have been on because that is shocking. So, we got some sprinkles. I'm gonna have to go on Amazon and tell them that they were damaged. The gold ones, luckily, are still intact. So, there's some very big pearls and then lots of little ones. It was the same in pink. And then I'm also waiting for blue ones to come. I got some gold leaf because the last packet I got didn't arrive, so I had to get a refund. And then I have a frozen cake coming up. So I've got some frozen figures in there. But yeah, this is a little bit depressing about the sprinkles because I was hoping, basically I'm bringing out some new brownie options. So rather than just the trays, there's going to be some personalisable brownies, and also one that can be bought individually. I won't give too much away, but it's basically a brownie for one. So I'm just gonna scoop these up and then I will be on Amazon telling them that they need to send me another one. So I literally just got home and this was on the doorstep. So I think most of these sprinkles must have fallen out like in the van as well, because there is so many little ones which fill this jar. Like, we haven't even filled it all the way up yet. And then what else did I get? Oh, I got some bunny tails, because that's what's going to be in tomorrow's vlog. So I haven't had much to do this week. However, from tomorrow the vlogs will be a bit more exciting for you, because tomorrow we are making wedding cake pops. So I've got to make I think it's 18 cake pops. So that's what we're going to be doing, and they've all got little fondant names because they are for bridesmaids and the groomsmen to give on the wedding day. So yeah, we're going to be doing that tomorrow, so that will be exciting. But today is just another chilled vlog. So I am going to go and contact Amazon, so I will see you in a little while if I do anything else. Just to give you a little bit of an idea, look. They are all over the floor, all over the rug, and then they're all in the kitchen floor as well, so we'll have to tidy that up. So I'm probably gonna have to like get the Hoover out or something. So yes, RIP to these lovely sprinkles that are gonna go in the bin.